So, I thought I was recording so far, but anyways, 20-inch mongoose that I cut the bar out, put a motor in it, and now I'm welding a frame around it. I don't know how I'm going to attach it here yet, but I'm liking it so far. All for fun. That's the welder I got. yd100. What I should do back here. I might tie it in like this to the frame somehow. Oh, and I put the yd100 with the reed on here. This was the yd100 over there. It was on here. I haven't started it yet. I want to get a pipe. I want to get one of them jog pipes. Yamaha jog pipe. But I'll show you more of this when it's done.